Hello, I'm Arvind Chaube. Today I'm going to talk to you about depression. There are many causes for depression, but today in my video I'm going to talk to you how we can reduce the impact of depression or how we can get out of depression. So the one thing that I feel the most important is that we should always do meditation. We always should do yoga. This will definitely reduce the level of stress, this will reduce the level of anxiety, and this can help you come out of depression. Second thing, I feel that music could work as a therapy against depression. So person should always listen to the music which he loves, because person may have a different genre for music, liking may be different, but depending upon his liking he should choose the music and listen to it. This actually would reduce this will balance the hormonal secretion in the body, and it also would reduce the impact of depression. The third thing that I would say is that the person should engage himself in some of his hobbies. Person should always nurture his hobbies, because everybody would have his own likes and dislikes, hobbies. So you should always try to nurture your hobbies, because hobbies would definitely keep you engaged, and that will help you to get out of this depression problem, because this is the problem with which many people are getting confronted. And another thing that I would like to tell you, another solution that about anxiety, this depression, is that you should always be in touch with your friends. Always keep contact with your friends and relatives, be in touch with them, because whatever the things that are happening in your mind, you should share with someone. But don't keep the things with you only. Always, it is good to share something, good or bad, everything should be shared with your friends and relatives. Beside that, finally, I would say that you can also join some places where people are coming, joining, talking and enjoying. There are some laughter clubs which can be joined, which one can join. This would definitely help get rid of depression. My suggestion to all of you, because all of us are passing through a phase when we are into our solitude, we are in our solitary state, because we are maintaining social distancing, we are confined in our house. So it is always better to be in touch with our friends and relatives. Do something which engages you, and the things that I suggested, I would once again summarize those things. The first thing that I suggested is that engage yourself in yoga and pranayam and meditation. These are the music. Second, then I said that you can also engage yourself in you can nurture your hobbies, and beside that you can also be in touch with your friends and relatives. Beside that, you can also join some laughter clubs. You can also, and finally, one thing that I would say, that never keep yourself isolated. Don't feel that you are alone. Always discuss your all problems with others, and there is always a solution to every problem. So having said this, I'm sure that you would have liked my video. If you have really liked my video, you can just press the like button. You can subscribe also my video, and also you can press the bell icon so that my next video would reach to you. Thank you very much.